We are zhengda Machinery Company Limited. Was established in 2003. Our company is a professional manufacturer paper bakery packaging machine, such as paper plate machine, cake cup machine, muffin cup machine, tulip cake cup machine, crimed cake cup, panettone molding machine, lunchbox machine. We are located in Zheyan, Zhejiang, 20 minutes from Zheyan train station, 20 minutes from Wenzhou International Airport, and 60 minutes by fly from Shanghai or Guangzhou to our city. Due to the rich manufacturing experience, our company has captured a share of the world market, such as Europe, America, and Asia. You can depend on our reputation for reliable quality, innovative offerings, and styles. In addition, our competitive pricing and excellent service have helped us win the trust from more and more customers. We have an outstanding engineering team and functional production lines, maintaining a strict quality control system. Nowadays, we are renowned by the good quality, the superior price and service, even on-time shipment. Our skilled team members will work together to finish your orders according to your exact specifications. It ensures you entry into market smoothly. Welcome to visit our company. Choice us.